Hey guys, alright, I got a rim with some bad curb rash and I'm going to try and repair it the best I can. Basically my goal here is to just get rid of a lot of these rough spots, the really deep gouges. Well, I probably won't be able to get, maybe I can. I'm going to see how well it turns out DIYing this rim repair. Wish me luck. Alright, so first I'm gonna hit it with the 80 grit sandpaper. And I'm just gonna try and knock off all the really deep scratches. And basically you just want to run your fingers over it to see how it feels. This deep one here, I'm probably not going to be able to take that out. But again, I'm not looking for perfection, I'm just looking to get rid of most of these scratches so it's not such an eyesore. Okay, so that was the 80 grit that I used, and now I'm gonna just blow off the dust. The dust, and then I'm going to use the 400 grit sandpaper and just smooth it out, prep it for a smooth paint surface. So you just want to make sure it's smooth by running your fingers over it, or your finger. And you just keep going at it till it feels smooth. Alright, it's pretty good. So now what you want to do is you want to wash the area that you're going to paint. You want to wash it off of any oils and such. So I'm going to use some grease and wax remover, clean it up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I masked off the area which I do not want to get painted, and that includes my tire stem, so I'm going to do that real quick. Do that real quick. And then do 2 coats. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, so I'll give that about 10 minutes and I'll get back to the second coat. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like after 3 coats. By all means it's not perfect, but it's sure a whole lot better than how it was with all those scratches. The deep gouges are still there, but if you stand say 2 feet away, you probably won't notice it. And everything that I use I will put in the description below. And for now, that's a wrap. I'll see you in the next one.